Hello to all. I am Samiksha Sunil Godolkar, Assistant Professor in S&T College of Engineering, Yeola. I was taught the subject is Basic Electronics. The logic gates. Now we discuss a video topic is the logic gates. The logic gate is the most basic building block of any digital system, including computers. Each one of the basic logic gate is a piece of hardware or an electronic circuit that can be used to implement some basic logic expression. The logic gates file laws of Boolean algebra could be used to do manipulation with binary variables and simplify logic expression. These are actually implemented in a digital system with the help of electronic circuit called logic gates. The three basic logic gates are the OR gate, AND gate and the NOT gate. We see these three basic gates, logic gate, AND, OR and NOT gate. Firstly we see logic gate, OR gate. An OR gate perform an ORing operation on two or more than two logic variables written as y is equal to a plus b and reads as y equals a or b and not as a plus b. A or b plus is the sign of OR gate. An OR gate is a logic circuit with two or more inputs and one output. Logic gates OR gate diagram, which is as shown in figure. The OR gate symbol is having a two input a and b. Output is 1 y and y is equal to a plus b, where a is one of the input of OR gate and b is the second input of OR gate. So y is equal to a plus b is the output of OR gate. After that, a, b and y. A is the one of the input of OR gate, b is the second input of OR gate. The truth table of OR gate is 0 0, output is 0, 0 1, output is 1, 1 with 0, output is 1 and 1 1, y output is 1. Two input OR gate. This is the two input OR gate. The logic gates OR gate having a three input a, b and c. The output of OR gate y is equal to a plus a or b or c, which is OR gate is denoted by positive sign. After that, OR gate 4 input a, b, c and d. The output of OR gate is a or b or c or d. The truth table of logic gate OR gate for 3 input is a input, b input and c input. Output is y. So the truth table is when input a is 0, input b is 0 and input c is 0, output y is 0. Same 0 0 1, output is 1, 0 1 0, output is 1, 0 1 1, output is 1, 0 1 1, output is 1, 1 0 0, output is 1, 1 0 1, output is 1, 1 1 0, output is 1 and input 1 1 1, output is 1. This is the logic gate truth table of OR gate with 3 input a b and c. 3 input OR gate. Next logic gate we see that AND gate. In logic gates AND gate, an AND gate is a logic circuit having two or more input and one output. The output of an AND gate is high when all its inputs are in the high state. The AND operation on two independent logic variables a and b is written as y is equal to a into b and read as y equals a and b. Logic gate AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is as shown in figure, having two input a and b. Output y is equal to a into b. The AND gate having two input a and b. 0 0, output is 0, 0 1, output is 0, 1 0 output is 0, 1 1 output is 1. This is the truth table of logic 2 input AND gate. After that we see AND gate having 3 input A, B, C. So Y is in AND gate having a 3 input A, B and C, output is Y. If 4 input A, B, C, D of AND gate, output is Y is equal to A into B into C into D. So truth table for 4 input AND gate is A, B, C, D. 0 0 0 0 output is 0, 0 0 0 1 output is 0, 0 0 1 0 output is 0, 0 0 1 1 output is 0, 0 1 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 0 1 output is 0, 0 1 1 0 output is 0, 0 1 1 1 output is 0, 1 0 0 0 output is 0, 1 0 0 1 output is 0, 1 0 1 0 output is 0, 1 0 1 1 output is 0, 1 1 0 1 output is 0, 1 1 0 output is 0 and 1 1 1 1 output is 1. Why all the outputs are 0? Because any number which is multiplied with 0, the output which is obtained, that is 0. So the AND gate truth table, only when all inputs are 1 1, we get the output is 1. Next logic gate is NOT gate. We see OR gate, AND gate. Next is NOT gate. A NOT gate is one input, one output logic circuit whose output is always the complement of the input. That is, a low input produces a high output and vice versa. It is also known as a complementing circuit or an inverting circuit. Logic gates, NOT gate, as shown in figure. This is the symbol of NOT gate, having one input X, output is X bar, Y is equal to X bar. In NOT gate, the symbol is having input X, output Y is equal to X bar. X input, Y output. When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. Logic gate, NOT gate having X input, output is X bar. This is the logic gate, NOT gate. After that we see the next gate is NAND gate. Logic gate, NAND gate. NAND stands for not AND. And AND gate followed by a NOT circuit makes it a NAND gate. The output of a NAND gate is a logic 0 when its all inputs are at logic 1. Y is equal to A into B whole bar. That is the output of NAND gate. Logic gate, NAND gate, having two inputs for NAND gate, A and B, and after that AND gate we connect the one inverting NOT gate. So NAND gate is created having two input A and B and output Y is equal to A into B whole bar. The truth table for NAND gate is 0 0 output is 1, 0 1 output is 1, 1 0 output is 1, 1 1 output is 0. This is the logic gate of NAND gate. We see the NAND gate. After that NAND gate we see the next logic gate is a NOR gate. NOR stands for not OR, and an OR gate followed by a NOT circuit makes it a NOR gate. The output of a NOR gate is a logic 1 when all its inputs are logic 0. For all other input combinations, the output is a logic 0. NOR gate, Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. The logic gates, next is the symbol of NOR gate is as shown in figure. First the OR gate is used and OR gate output is connected to the NOT gate. So OR gate having two input A and B, output is NOT gate which is inverting. So the output which is denoted by NOR gate is Y. A plus B, two input having output of NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. So truth table of NOR gate is 0 0 output is 1, 0 1 output is 0, 1 0 output is 0, 1 1 output is 0. This is the truth table for logic gate, NOR gate. In this way we see the different logic gates. Firstly we see the logic gate is AND gate. When the two inputs of AND gate when two inputs of AND gate A and B, output of AND gate is A into B. After AND gate we see the next logic gate is NOT gate. When the input of NOT gate is A, output of NOT gate is A bar. When after that we see the NAND gate. When the input of NAND gate is A and B, output of NAND gate is A into B whole bar. And last we see the logic gate is NOR gate. When the input of NOR gate is A and B, the output of NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. In this way we see the four gates. AND gate A into B output, after that NOT gate A bar, after that NOR gate A plus B whole bar, and OR gate output is A plus B. These are the four important logic gates we see here. The another logic gates such as exclusive OR gate, NOR gate, and another logic gates of number system we see in next video lecture. Thank you.